Today we'll talk about how can you scan on your MobiOffice app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. So you just click here on scan here, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you scan to PDF here or Word or Excel here. Can you select, but here Word or and Excel you have to get premium. So that's all you have to do to scan on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.